The new Fujifilm X-S20 kit lens. It's the same all around the box. A little bit of serial number and other things on this side. The X and the GFX line. Some QR codes to download things. Paperwork on the Capture One trial. This is about the lens. Cardboard filler. Start on this side here. Right off, we've got the strap. USB cord. It's Type C to Type C, both ends. This is our kit lens. Kit lens is really light and very tiny. You can see it's a 15 to 45. Over here, the battery. This is the W235. This is the wall charger, USB Type C, and then changeable wall plugs. So leave that there, and you'll see here's the US wall type. And it would just slide right in. Oop, if I can orientate looking through the lens, there you go. You just snap that down. But it comes with a few others as well. A lot of international wall adapter usage. And over here is what everyone came to see. This is the Fujifilm X-S20. Here's a look at the top. Flip out screen.